wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 7 best zipline kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. With a cable that's only 35 feet, the Adventure Park's ZL35 doesn't offer a very long ride, but that makes it a good option for young children or for a yard with limited space between trees. Its trolley is fully enclosed to prevent finger injuries. It comes in at a budget-friendly price with rubberized handles that are easy to grip, but it won't support most adults. At number 6, the Slacker's Hawk series is built with a steel trolley and sealed ball bearings to create a strong and reliable system. The 10-foot rope on the seat is adjustable and quickly detaches with a carabiner so it can be kept out of the elements. The trolley arrives fully assembled, however note that a spring brake is sold separately and it takes a while to set up. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Alien Flyer X3H100 mounts securely for use, but the trolley is removable so it can be taken down easily in the winter months. It includes the company's patented rider-activated speed control, though you do need to replace its brake pad whenever it wears out. It comes with a harness, a molded stop block, and a sturdy galvanized steel cable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for zipline kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, while the commercial quality sleadd 150LX may look complicated, the integrated tensioner makes installation simple and less strenuous. It comes with 2 sets of blocks to protect trees, though it should also include a seat or harness for the price. It includes a 15-foot tow rope and is backed by a 10-year warranty. However, it is prohibitively expensive for most. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the ctsc 110-foot is designed with safety in mind, courtesy of a robust spring brake system to ensure riders don't jerk to a sudden stop. This model accommodates 250 pounds, and there are custom kits available if your trees are too far apart for this one. It offers an adjustable seat height and there are 3 color choices, but you may need an additional tension kit. At number 2, if your family hates to stop the fun when it gets dark outside, the Slacker's Night Riders can keep things going when the sun goes down. You'll get high-quality components with a seat and trolley that put on an entertaining light show. It features protective tubing for your trees and grips that are securely screwed in, and all the locking nuts and bolts you need. And taking the top spot on our list, the Zipline Gear Rogue is made with industrial aircraft cable, so it's suitable for use in settings such as summer camps or island resorts. If you have a large property, you can get this set in a variety of lengths from 150 to 500 feet. It features a premium all-metal trolley, a bungee braking system, and an adjustable harness. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for zipline kits, or simply click beneath this video.